So last year when I did the renovation, it was one tool I really wish I had. And, well, now I have it. So when I did the renovation last year, moving a lot of stuff around, man, that was a struggle to try and do a whole lot of that, especially with just like a wheelbarrow. So I went out and bought a gorilla cart. So understand, I bought this with my own money. Gorilla Cart did not send me this cart at all. I'm just going to unbox it, put it together, and give you kind of my initial thoughts. Handle. These are nice, rubber, air inflated. Piece. Piece. So this is really cool. They number each one of the bolts, probably in accordance with the assembly guide here. Alright, I'm not a guy that usually rates these, but I'm going to. Thank you, card. Nice, so they show you that you need it's like a 13mm wrench and just a crescent wrench. Put this together. Go grab it. Okay, so first thing we do, flip this over. And this deal here mounts right there. Push these in here. And this bolts right on. What are you doing? Come here and say hi. What are you doing, bud? What are you doing, buddy? What is that? What do you think? Oh, what do you think? this thing goes like that, and this goes here. Washer, nut. Alright, so if you don't want to mess with this thing, no pain in the butt. This nut is a 15/16, so if you have a socket for it, it'll weigh a whole lot easier. So one thing I really like with these wheels is they're literally just a pin. You can see that it's just a pin to hold them on, so real easy to take them off. You need to take them apart or whatever. Real simple stuff. All you do is just slide the washer in, put the pin in. That's it, it's on. Okay, so it does say on here for the tires, it says max inflation 30 psi. I don't know if they inflate them ahead of time, but we'll check. Okay, so next it shows putting the nut and washer through this side so that it pops out here. Let the handle part goes down. Interesting. Yeah, so it's easier to put the nut in there and then slide the bolt through the other side and just thread it on. So the last step's just to put the handle on and just slide the bolt through and put on the washer and the nut. Alright, so one of the really nice features with this cart is the dumping. It's just to unlatch it, tilt it back, and you can literally dump everything all the way out, which is really nice. The other thing that I've discovered really quickly that I like is this is almost like a zero turn. It turns just about right in place. Very easy to turn this thing around rather quickly. You can see that. Pretty freaking nice. I'm really excited to use this thing. With the renovation back here last year, this would have came in very handy. Doing the renovation in the front here in another week or two, it's going to come in handy. So this is the smaller 4 cubic foot unit. They do make a 7 cubic foot unit where the handle can actually slide down and you can tow it behind either a mower or a quad or something like that. If I can find links for these to share with you guys. I'll put them down in the description below. I just picked this up from Lowe's. I believe Lowe's, Home Depot, they both have them, wherever you want to get it from. This particular one's about $100, and I think the 7 cubic foot one is like around 170, 165, something like that. Well worth the money. I'm excited to use this thing. I've been wanting one of these for a long time, and I finally just decided to get one. Anyway, if you find anything useful in this video, hit the like button. I'd appreciate it. If you haven't already, please subscribe, and you can see the renovation coming here real soon in the front yard. And we'll see you in the next video. Bro, come here, buddy. Come here, buddy. What do you think? You want to get in the cart for a minute? Oh, you want to get in the cart for a minute? Look at Nope, that didn't go well. You didn't want to go for a ride in the cart? Come here, buddy. Come on. Come here, bud. Come here, bro. And try this again. What are you being a sissy for? Why are you being such a sissy? Aw. Why are you being such a sissy? Why are you being such a sissy? Aw. Why are you being such a sissy? Hey. Come here, bro. Come here. You're such a sissy. What? Why are you being such a sissy? Do you want to go in the cart? Do you want to go in the cart? Oh, bud. Do you want to go in the cart or not? Do you want Dad to put you in there? Or you're going to run off like a sissy? Aw. Come here, bro. Come here, bud. You want to get in the cart? You want to get in the cart? Uh-huh. You want to try this again? Come here. Oh. Look, look. No, no. Calm down. You're a big sissy.